Sharepoint is a collaboration platform supplied by Microsoft, and it really helps clients help their staff work better together. So Sharepoint allows staff to share documents between departments, to have a central repository and always have one version of the truth. They always have the latest documents stored there. It allows project teams to work better together because people can store project status updates, they can store blogs, they can store news articles, and it generally provides what's also known as typically an intranet for employees. One of the other great benefits as well is it can also provide what's known as an extranet, which is where you can, allowing your staff to collaborate and communicate with people outside of your organisations, other third parties like your clients and your partners and people like that. Sharepoint is just one of the components of Office 365. There's three core components. Firstly, there's email, which is Exchange. Then there's Link, which is the instant messaging and desktop sharing application. And then there's Sharepoint. And Sharepoint really is the largest component, and it's the one that really allows your staff to collaborate hugely together in new and exciting ways. In reality, there's very little difference between SharePoint Online and having an on-premise or your own SharePoint server. There's a couple of major there's a couple of key differences. One is firstly cost. One, you'd have to buy everything up front and install it and have the setup costs and setup time. Whereas SharePoint Online, you wouldn't have that, you'd just pay a monthly fee. But SharePoint on-premise is better for organisations who have huge amounts of integration requirements or have specific data storage requirements, whereas SharePoint Online is better for organisations who want to get up and running rapidly and have less specific requirements.